Hey guys, welcome back to another problem solving tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about this problem called reducing if statements. This person just wants to know how to make this code a bit simpler so there's not just a bunch of if statements. And there's one answer, but this one just is completely wrong. So yeah. So I have an easy way of doing this, and it's not using switch statements, it's actually by a different way. So I'll show you what I mean. Reduce if conditions. I'll just call it what the problem is called. And let me just try and create a replica of this. So let's just create a hour, and I'm not going to do this because this is a bit complicated, but I'll just create a hour variable called let hour, and then I'll just call it like something random, like 02, like in this example. And wait, this is actually an int, so I can just do it as 2. And for the minute, just create let minute, and let's just find an example. Let's just find the 59th minute. Okay, so this guy is like trying to do a bunch of if statements, and then if if the hour is 0, it'll type this in, it'll carry out this function, otherwise it'll do this, otherwise it'll do this, otherwise it'll do this. So this is pretty simple, and there's an easy way of fixing this. So let's say there were to keep it simple, let me make the minutes let me make it 4th minute. So 4th minute and second hour. So I'll just give 5 examples. So let's just do create a new array called hour text, and inside of this let's just make an array. So for the first one, let's say SOX, and then we can have another one, and for number 1 it's VJK, and then it's ANJ for the third one, and let me make 5 examples. So I think these are airport names, but I'm not sure, so I'll just do RTY, and for the final one I can just make something up. I'll just do LAX. Okay, and then for minute text, and usually this would actually have 60 or 24, since there's 24 hours in a day, so this would have 24, so it can account for all the hours. And a minute text would have 60 or 59, but since I'm only doing 5 examples, I'll just do 5 here, and I'll just copy all of these. So let's have MSC, BVG, what else, VBH. I'm pretty sure these are airport names, but I'm not sure. HCK, and then I'm not sure, maybe London Heathrow, but I don't really know how to do it, so I'm just going to do LH, and then I'll do LNH. I don't think that's right, but we'll just do that. So these are examples, and this would usually have 23, since there are 23 hours in a day, but you wouldn't do the final one, since that'll just become the next day. And this would have 59, since there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, and now all he has to do is he can just convert this hour into an int, as he already has, and then he can just carry out this function instead of the text function. Actually, I'll just create that text function. So func text, and then I'll just have a string, message string, and then inside of this I'll just print the message. So instead of doing a bunch of if statements, he can just do text, and then the message can be hour text, and then hour as the index. And for the message, it can just be this, but minute text, and then a minute as the index. So this works in the same way. If the hour is 0, then it will text SOX, since that's the first item, and then it'll just carry on. And then this is pretty simple. Instead of doing a bunch of if statements to test if it's 0, then do this, then it's just much easier. And to prove that it works, we'll just run it. So for the hour we should get ANJ, and for the minute we should get L and H, since this is the fourth 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!